let's do a different kind of video today. Let's have a quick look at how you would add chat from a YouTube live stream as an overlay inside of OBS. So it's fairly straightforward to do, actually. You can be up and running and doing this in like 5 minutes. The plugin says it works in Chrome, but I've also got it to work in Brave as well, which is pretty much Chromium Chrome anyway. I don't think I had to do anything different. I just installed it as a Chrome plugin, basically. So what we're going to need to do is, let me just bring up the page. You're going to need this plugin called the Live Chat Overlay, and you step through all of this just to how to install it. It's fairly straightforward. You have to do it as a manual installation and do it as an unpacked extension, but it is, you know, safe. If you're like a particular about security, do go through it and check it and everything else. But if you follow this step, it's relatively straightforward. It doesn't actually show anything, the actual plugin. It just sits there in the tray, but all it's doing is using a WebSocket to actually speak to the pop-out chat to push the text that you select inside of the YouTube chat into OBS as a browser source. So I'll quickly show how that works. So as an example, I'm going to use one of these channels. These channels are running 24 hours a day live streams. This one's got like 2K people in it, so we'll just bring that up and we'll just mute them for a second. You can see down here that they've got a chat. So what happens now is when you pop out that chat, you'll see this like little ninja character, and this is the pop out of that chat from this live stream. So that live stream could be your own. So all I really need to get is grab this URL that it suggests to me, and then if I go back into OBS, I've created a browser source here, and if I double click on it, you can see I have to just change the URL to that session ID. It's this last bit that you're really concerned about. It's just basically doing the WebSocket connection from that pop out and then feeding it into OBS. So what I should be able to do now is go back to the pop-up, and you'll see that there's a variety of like messages and stuff in here. So we'll just select this Nightbot 1, and when you do that, what you'll see is it comes up on an overlay inside of OBS. Now it's a little bit cut off at the bottom, so I'm just going to unlock that layer. I'm going to move it up a little bit. You can change the sizing of it, but as an example, you can see how it works. So this is great because now you can have an interactive chat going, and you can just be on a live stream, or you could just fire up your camera and you could take certain questions from the community that you highlight. So if you have a moderator next to you while you're doing the live stream, you can just click on any of these messages. If you want to get rid of it, just click on the clear, and that just makes it scroll off the screen. If there's any other decent messages that come up, like this one here, you know, like banish word, phrase, topic detected, we don't do that here, blah, 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 and then you can just clear it. So dead simple. I'm pretty sure you could change all of the elements for it as well, because it is just CSS and HTML, so you could style it to look as you wanted. One thing I didn't show you actually was the graphic of the profile that you're bringing in also shows on the screen as well. So the reason why I did this video for this is because there is software out there that allows you to do it, but it costs you a couple of €100, couple of $100 a year to use their software and use that feature to plug into the YouTube API to do that, whereas you can just download that open source plugin for free and get it working in Chrome or Brave is what I tried it in. And like I say, it's dead easy to set up. All you need to do is set up a browser source, put in that chat overlay ninja, start a session by doing a pop out from the live chat, and you're off to the races. Incredibly easy, straightforward to do. All right, catch you soon. Bye.